Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program this digital timer module switch and how it's connected to synchronous motor for incubation purposes. This video is for those of you who want to build an automatic egg turner for your incubator. This is very basic timer module. It's commonly known as a trigger cycle timer relay switch circuit board, XYJ02 or JZ801. They're both just the same. What I'm using here is JZ801. You can get it from online market, from Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, or eBay. It's quite cheap. It's less than $3. You can power up this board with the DC current here. DC current 6 to 30 volt. This for loading the DC current here. This is the input for DC current here. You see this 6.0 to 30.0 volts. This is for the positive one and this for the negative one. Okay, don't be confused about the positive and negative for the DC supply. You can also power up this module using USB jack or smartphone charger like this. Here I'm using a smartphone charger for powering up this module. This module has 4 buttons here: the stop, set, up and down button. It has many programs here. If we press set here, there are lots of programs here. However, we only talking about incubator, and therefore we only use one program for incubation purposes. Let's start programming. To begin, press the set button for about 3 seconds. Okay, then it appears P1.1 program, or the program number 1.1. Then we just find the program 3.2. remember 3.2, P3.2 program. Once you already find the program 3.2, another press for the set button here, and then there's OP here. OP stands for how much the time the relay is on, or on operation, or in this case how much time does the motor run. Okay, for example, here I have a synchronous motor. This motor takes 12.5 seconds for every 180 degree rotation. Okay, so to rotate 180 degrees, this motor takes 12.5 seconds. Alright, different motor takes different time. Okay, for example, this motor, this is 5 or 6 RPM, so it takes at least 6.1 seconds to have 180 degree rotation. So it's different from the 3 RPM synchronous motor, which takes 12.5 seconds for every 180 degree rotation. And then CL stands for how much time is the relay off, how much time you want to pause the motor of your egg turner. For example, 3 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. Okay, let's say that you want to turn your eggs every 3 hours, so you have to set the CL to 120 minutes. Okay, and then after CL there's a loop. Loop stands for how many times the set program is repeated. For an incubation, you just program this one. You just program like this. Okay, and then we go back to set OP and OP to 12.5 seconds. We can find the 12.5. Once we find the 12 seconds, so we press set button for one more time, and then it goes to CL. Okay, remember, CL stands for how much time the relay is off, or how much time you want to pause the motor off. Okay, So let's say you want to turn your eggs every 3 hours, so you have to set the CL to 120. Okay, CL 120. This motor has 3 different time modes here. Once we press the stop button, and it appears 3 little decimal points here, meaning that it is dealing with minutes. So we jump to 120 minutes. Okay, 120 minutes here. Okay, 120 minutes. Okay, back. Now loop. Loop we set like this. Okay, and then back to the set button one more time, and have long press on set button. Done, it's set already. Okay, it's counting down from 12.5 seconds to 0 seconds. Okay, you can see. Alright, now the CL starts counting down from 120 minutes to 0 minutes. Alright then, I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for this board. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, see? It's counting down from 12.5 seconds to 0. Alright? It was from here, goes here, meaning that it's already complete 180 degrees turn. The CL now is start counting down from 120 minutes to 0. I'm not gonna videotape for 3 hours, okay? Instead, I'm going to fast forward it, okay? I'll change this CL value. I'm going to set this CL every 15 seconds, okay? 15 seconds. I'm going to set 15 seconds, 15.0 second, okay? Right. Alright, here we already have the built-in egg turner. Okay, now look, it stopped running. You see? Really slowly. Every 15 seconds. Okay. For this kind of egg turner, you have to change the OP value at least to change from, it was for example from 12.5 seconds to at least 60 seconds. Okay, so we have to unplug this power first because it's really dangerous. It's loaded with AC current. So we set the OP, okay, the OP to 15 seconds, sorry, to 60 seconds. This module will operate for 60 seconds. Okay, 60.0. Okay, one is set. Press the set button once and then long press. Okay, look, it will operate for about 60 seconds. It's highly recommended to set the OP value to 60 seconds for this kind of egg turner. Alright, I think it's enough. That's all for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.